Does strength training for weight loss work? If you're trying to lose weight, you may be wondering what form of training will help you drop the most weight, and you may have looked into strength training. In this video, I'll discuss how strength training can help you lose weight, as well as other useful hints. So be sure to watch this video all the way through and subscribe to this channel. Is it true that strength training makes you bulky? Due to the belief that lifting weights makes you big, strength training, also known as resistance training, was once only reserved for bodybuilders. However, while you can build muscle with strength training, becoming bulky is difficult. In order to build substantial muscle mass, you need to lift heavy weights and eat more calories than you burn, and even then, it can take months to years. Genetics, food, and body type, as well as exercise load, volume, and intensity, all influence how quickly and how much muscle you can gain. So, if you're concerned that strength training would cause you to gain weight quickly, be rest assured you won't. Does it assist you in losing weight? You must be in a calorie deficit to lose weight and burn fat, which can be accomplished in 3 ways. 1. Consuming fewer calories each day than you require. 2. Burning more calories through exercise than you consume. 3. A combination of reduced calorie consumption and increased physical activity. Strength training is a good way to burn calories, but it's not the most efficient way. Running, cycling, and swimming are examples of cardiorespiratory training, which burns more calories each workout session than strength training. Strength training, on the other hand, can help with weight loss by increasing muscle mass. Simply explained, muscles are metabolically efficient and help you lose weight by burning more calories even when you're not working out. As a result, it's usually preferable to incorporate both strength training and cardio into your workout routine. According to research, strength training increases your metabolic rate, which means you're still burning calories hours after your workout is over. In fact, studies have shown that following an exercise, your metabolic rate can be raised for up to 72 hours. You don't lose pure fat when you lose weight, instead, you lose fat mass, glycogen storage, and muscle. Strength training helps you maintain muscle mass while losing weight, which helps you lose more fat and keep your metabolism from shifting too much. Strength training will help you lose fat, but depending on your starting weight and goals, you may not notice a significant reduction in the number on the scale. This is due to the fact that muscle is denser than fat, taking up less room on your body pound for pound. As a result, you may shed inches from your waistline while seeing no change on the scale as you lose fat and increase muscle. Overall, incorporating strength training into your workout program, together with cardio exercise and a nutritious diet, is an excellent strategy to aid weight loss. In addition to weight loss, strength training has various other advantages. You'll look slimmer. Muscle is denser than fat, thus it takes up less physical space. As a result, as you gain muscle mass and lose fat, you will appear leaner and smaller. Furthermore, having larger and stronger muscles will help define your figure. You can't tone your muscles, contrary to common opinion, but building muscles and decreasing fat highlights muscle definition, giving you a stronger, leaner appearance. You'll be more strong. You will become stronger as a result of weight exercise. Gaining strength makes everyday tasks easier, such as carrying groceries and playing with your children. Furthermore, because you're better able to support your body, you're less likely to fall or get an injury. Strength training is also important for bone development since it places temporary stress on your bones, signaling your body to rebuild them stronger. This can help you avoid osteoporosis and fractures as you get older. Chronic illness risk is reduced. Strength training can help you avoid chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and age-related problems like sarcopenia, which is the loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs as you get older. Including strength training and cardio in your workout plan may help you achieve even better results. Both types of exercise provide numerous health benefits, including increased lung capacity, metabolism, blood flow, and muscular mass. How to start? Before beginning a new workout routine, check with your doctor to ensure that the plan is safe and appropriate for you. Once you've received permission to exercise, There are a variety of simple methods to include it into your daily routine. The majority of experts recommend 3 to 5 strength training sessions each week, as well as cardio and rest days. The number of sessions you need depends on a variety of factors, including the amount of training you do, the intensity of your workouts, the number of recovery days you need, and your schedule. In theory, you can strength training every day, but you should leave 48 hours for each muscle group to recover. If you work out your back and shoulders on Monday, for example, you should wait until Wednesday or Thursday to train them again. Getting more exercise isn't always a good thing. It's more important to focus on the quality of your workouts than the quantity. You can still get benefits if you only have 2 to 3 training sessions per week, just focus on good form and make sure your workouts are challenging. You may require extra recovery days depending on the intensity of your workouts. Consider adding some gentle stretching or yoga to your regimen if you're feeling particularly sore after your workout. While lying on the sofa may feel lovely when you're in pain, try to get up and move around. This will give your muscles a chance to relax while also promoting blood flow and active recuperation. Finally, the greatest method to stay safe and avoid damage is to listen to and respect your body, as well as to understand your boundaries. Nutrition. While strength training might help you lose weight, you should also pay attention to your nutrition. Strength training burns calories, but to get results, you'll need to combine exercise with a healthy diet. Exercise often and eat somewhat fewer calories to achieve a calorie deficit. This has been proven to be an effective and long-term weight loss approach in studies. Furthermore, refueling your body with appropriate protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats is critical if you want to gain muscle and strength. To retain muscle during weight loss, most people should aim for 20 to 40 grams of protein per meal, depending on their goals, body size, and other considerations. In addition, to properly fuel your exercises and recovery, be sure to include meals rich in healthy fats and complex carbohydrates in your diet. These foods are likely to be high in beneficial nutrients and can help you feel fuller for extended periods of time. In summary, women of all ages can benefit from strength training, and it will not make you bulky. Rather, it can aid in the creation of a leaner, more powerful appearance. It aids in the development of strength and muscle, as well as the prevention of chronic diseases and the promotion of weight loss. Your weight loss attempts will be aided by an exercise routine that includes days of strength training targeting various muscle groups, as well as cardio and a nutritious, protein-rich diet. While most experts recommend including 3 to 5 strength training sessions per week into your fitness routine, any weight training will be useful. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. Feel free to drop your contribution or questions in the comment section. And for more concise fat loss tips, subscribe to this YouTube channel.